3, jump! She waiting on you, Ty. Siblings war. Oh my god, I didn't know that I would live the day to see it. But it's a thing, and we don't fight in this house, so I'm not about that life. So they have to get it together.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi Fierce, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm back like I never left. I'm back like I never left. Back to trying to get into some kind of routine. Got my workout in done this morning. I didn't push myself too much because it's my first day back properly since a whole month. So it feels good to be back. So yeah, that's what I did this morning. The kids just got up and I'm making breakfast for them. Baby's trying to leave this house right now. So back to routine. Tell her what you want on your crepe. Nutella. And the crepe king, of course, is having crepe. So have a good day, you guys. Hopefully you guys are staying safe wherever you are. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated. Kids, say good morning.
Good morning.
Sarah, say morning face.
Morning, face.
What you watching?
TV.
You're watching TV. Okay. You're drinking your milk? You're drinking milk? Drink your milk. Good job. You hungry? Go to the table. Tyler, get up and stop doing that and go to the table. And this one is trying to head out. You look nice though, babe, with your haircut.
It's my new shirt. That's the new shirt.
Oh, that's a new shirt?
Yeah.
Show off, show off. And where's the new shoes? I don't understand you. My husband heat. You need to clean what, babe?
No, I need to clean this. I need just to make...
Honey, where's your new shoes? That's what I asked you.
No.
Exactly.
Bisous.
So why you don't have it on?
I don't have it.
He hate wearing his new shoes. I don't know why. I remember I bought babe a work shoes. And babe took 1 year plus before he wear the work shoes. Can you guys believe that? And now he got another new work shoes. And he's still wearing this old one that I hate seeing. She said bisou.
Kiss her already 3 times.
She want one more bisou.
Bisous. Give Papa a hug.
Papa is going to? Where is Papa going?
Allez, au travail, d'accord?
Come for your breakfast time.
D'accord?
Papa going to work in where she not happy.
Dans ça. Non, mais les petits doigts.
This one want breakfast. Drink your milk, princess. For Papa to tell her.
I love you.
Love you. Say morning now.
Good morning, people. Have a good day. Have a blessed day.
You promise me
Stay
that you're going to wear the
positive.
new shoes, honey, and take off this ugly
Very
one?
soon, very soon. I just need to. Tomorrow I'm home, so I'll be able to organize everything.
I hate that one you have on. It's ugly.
I love you too.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow I'm home, so.
No, you're going to start with the other one Wednesday.
Yeah.
Right, I agreed.
I love you, everybody.
Love you. Have a good day.
Have a blessed day.
You too. You have everything.
Should.
You have your ID. Your thing.
I do. I put everything back.
Okay. He's gone. Do work.
What are these?
It's mine. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna pack up from workout and I'll catch you guys later. playing hide and seek. Look at how Ty hiding.
Mama, where's Ty?
Where's Ty?
Look at him.
You find him?
Deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, 10, 14, j'arrive. Elle est où, Sarah? Elle est sous la chaise? Non. Elle est sous le lit? Non. Sous la table, peut-être? Non. Mais où, Sarah? Sous le barbecue? Non. Derrière.
They're too funny. It's her turn to find him. You find him? They're too cute. You guys, I am here back to the French book life and also uploading tomorrow's vlog to get that ready as soon as I pause on this. So back to basics, back to routine, back to all this life.
What do you want?
What do you want? You're hungry? You just had lunch. What do you want? Please, Mama? You say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh my gosh, I finished cleaning up my kitchen, clean up the house a bit, fed my kids lunch, put Warrior Child down for a nap, and my boy is doing some activity in his book, and now I'm going to go and put laundry outside and get back to work. I paused on French for today. I was doing some French lessons this morning. Pause on that, so I'm going to try and get some editing done and jump back on the French lesson. So kind of getting back in the groove of things around here, getting back in the groove of things, getting school ready. Push your chair up more to the table. You're too far away. Let's find my babies. Hear how quiet they are. Hi, Sarah. What you doing? You playing Halloween with Tai Tai?
I'm playing beside her.
Okay.
Goes the Halloween.
Okay, you also eating your biscuits? Good job. Okay, see you soon. You guys may not think that my kids fight, but they fight. This morning, I had to scold both of them and tell them, listen, do not let this ever happen again. So when I see them like that, they're putting out an effort to spend time with each other without the bickering siblings war. Oh my god, I didn't know that I would live the day to see it, but it's a thing. And we don't fight in this house, so I'm not about that life. So they have to get it together. Anyway, you guys, I took a little nap. I needed it. So now I'm back. I took like an hour nap, so I'm back. I'm gonna get some work done, so I'll talk to you guys later. And the things Tyler and Sarah fight over are the most pettiest things ever. Like, she sits here and Tyler wants to sit in the same space, or she have this toy and Tyler want the same toy. I'm like, are you guys serious? So many toys in this house. How many space in this house that you guys can sit, and you guys going to fight over that space or that toy? Make it even worse. I mean, oh my gosh. I don't remember fighting with, well, I remember fighting with my siblings. Not really, you know. But we don't do fights around here. We don't do that. You don't fight in this house. We ain't having that, shorty. Gather round, gather round. It's popcorn time. Look at them. See me? Can you imagine I have to smell this and can't eat it? Is that about that time where I need to prepare dinner for the fam bam? What's on my menu today? Today I'm doing, what am I doing? Tyler says he wants macaroni and cheese and spinach, creamy spinach. So that's what I'm making for Sarah and Tyler: macaroni and cheese, creamy spinach, and I'm making liver, and I'm also making the last piece of salmon that I have because I don't want it to spoil, and today's my last day to do that. So I'm also doing that. So I don't know which of the protein he'll have or they both will have, but we'll see at the end of dinner. And then for Babe and I, it's going to be that protein, and veggie is going to be cabbage, zucchini, and I'm gonna add a little bit of carrot in there just to spruce things up. I'm not I won't do a lot of carrots on this journey, but a little won't hurt. Cooking. Have Tyler creamy spinach here. We have liver over here. Then we have cabbage here. Then we have macaroni and cheese here. And in here, finishing up, we have salmon. Faves on the pool.
Would you?
They used to do that time. Can I go back that way? They come. You guys were at the pool having some fun. Inside the house too hot. We're cooling down. Come, Sarah, here. Wait, wait for Mama. You're gonna jump? Hey, you're not jumping with her?
What did it say?
You're not jumping with her?
Oh, yes.
Tai coming to jump with you, okay?
Of course.
Jump. You wait for Tai? Here.
She was pushing me.
No, she was coming to hold you.
Oh, but she was pushing me.
And close your mouth when you jump. Ready? Okay, Finny. 1, 2, 3, jump. She waiting on you, Tai. Sarah, wait, let me close. Sarah, get your Tai your balloon. Into the head.
Because something is wrong with my head.
No, it's not your head, it's water in your ears. Can you jump? Okay.
Sarah, don't shoot me this time. They're coming. Jump. I can jump. Look at me. Jump.
Sarah, chicken Tai
Jump.
You
Jump, Tai, jump.
noise.
Jump. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Now we're ending today's vlog, which is actual. No, you're not fat. You just have on a few extra flesh.
Yeah, winter.
Which you're working on getting rid of, right? Can you think?
I'm working on to feel my stamina back. Like when I'm doing things, I feel comfortable. If we're doing hiking, I feel comfortable, not struggling. All of these things, that's what I'm looking for.
Do you remember before you got sick with COVID, how we used to work out and you were on a mission? Can you believe if all that didn't happen and you had continued?
Oh, I used to work
because you
out.
didn't have this much weight. Since you became sick, you pack on all this bone. Remember when we used to work out together? When we were on that
During
very
the
first
COVID
mission.
time.
Exactly.
The COVID time, I used to run, I used to feel.
Exactly.
And
We used to kill it together.
Oh yeah, I used to go on the treadmill
And run
for an hour.
30
feel
minutes
so good.
and more.
Yeah, I go back to that stage. Just
Slowly.
have
I just want you to get the eating right. But French people are so stuck in their ways with tradition. And babe friend and I were talking about the same thing. They have to have this sweet breakfast. They can't do without juice. And for the love of me, my husband is stuck in his ways and he's so stubborn.
But you want to
He has to
change
have
me?
it. No, I do not want to change you. I want you to change for you. Not at all.
What's that?
I would love to
You
see
want
change. I would love to see change, but I want you to do that on your own time. I don't want to shove it down your throat.
I'm in the age where I want to enjoy life.
You need to enjoy life, but at the same time, enjoy life when you're at the right
course.
place. Right now, you have to work on this.
It's not too
But
bad.
babe, can't stop eat the sweet, and he can't stop drink the juice. Even if a little bit of juice here, honey, it's just a small glass, a short glass. He's so funny. But I'm proud of you. You came home and you worked out today. Look at you. Love that. That's a step in the right direction.
Yeah, can't tell you the amount of stairs that I did today. Stairs, 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 stairs. Go up, go down, go up, go down.
Those count too, honey. Those count.
So yeah, I just feel okay.
Stairs, you're at work?
Of course.
So you don't take the elevator? You do the stairs? That's good. You need to go buy a pump and ride your bike back to work.
Yeah, mission.
Anyway, you guys, the pool was good. We had so much fun at the pool without Babe. It was so hot in this house after I finished cooking. I was like, no, I'm leaving this house. I'm going to the pool. I couldn't take it anymore. But I'm happy I did. There was nobody at the pool, and the kids and I had so much fun. Sarah is so funny. You know what Sarah did? Says she and Tyler gonna jump. And when it was time to jump, she let Tyler go alone, and then she pointed at Tyler and said, ha ha ha. She laughed, she laughed, she laughed, she laughed. I made a big loud laugh. I don't know how you don't stay up your hair, you know. It's like she said, ha, let you jump alone. And she did it a second time, and she would die with laughter. This girl, she's so funny. She's too funny, and she's so brave. She's not afraid of anything. I bet you guys that Sarah is going to learn how to swim on her own in this pool before she starts swim lessons. This girl, I never used to see Tyler do what she's doing in terms of when she in the water, she moving her foot and moving her hand like a little fish, and she just lay down and she put her hand behind her head like
she
this.
Says, swim every time.
Like who teach her how to do that?
The deep one, swim.
I know, right? She is too funny. But I want her to go with Papa more because Papa can swim. Because I can't swim, I don't let her take much risk. But when she go with you, then you can make her take more risk. But she have so much fun in the water and she's not afraid of nothing. Anyway, you guys, again, we're ending today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Hopefully, yes, hopefully you guys enjoy. And can you guys tell I'm tired? I just want to go to my bed. So I'm signing out for tonight. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the family, keep up, and my kids in bed. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.